We've just entered a forever lane of mountain drive. One track, single track mountain drive. Always the best experience in a van. There's no way. We've hit the jackpot. Okay, let's see what's down here. Oh, sick. Nice. The only thing is I'm like, do I have anything I could cook? Or are we gonna have to go on like a mission quickly to find somewhere? We must go on a quest. We must be quick. Okay, I have found a little town. Okay, I found an option.
Merci.
Let's run away from the town into the wilderness with a fire pit. Sounds delightful. The air feels like very, how does one say it? Moist. I'm getting moist from the air. Lovely stuff. Alright. Already used tray. That's not a tray. That's not a tray. It's a pan. Olive oil. Oh, this is so nice though. Okay, they're cooking. We're cooking. Wow, the view's amazing. This is such a nice space. Excellent. Where's my barbecue sauce? Oh! That's an owl. The owl is getting very passionate. Very simple gal. Barbecue sauce. Beef. Great. Great day for me. I wish I was more complicated, but I'm not. Not bad. Would have been nicer flame grilled, but it's fine. I'll get over it. Okay, let's make a French s'more. Dip. And let's roast. Oh, I don't know how to heat up the biscuits. This is so not gonna work. Okay, we have our sandwich. The weather's so strange right now. It's suddenly gone sunny, but it's raining. It's so cinematic here. I love it. Okay, now I feel like it's gonna get dark really quickly all of a sudden, and I'm gonna be here in the pitch black, so let's tidy up. I want to do a time lapse because it's the sky's turning quickly. This is so beautiful. All right, let's go. I think this is low enough. This is like the beginning of the hill, so I think we can stay. I'm so tired. I need to go to sleep. Luckily, it's actually quite nice in here right now. It's not too hot, so we're good.